How to use Bollinger Bands for scalping. This could be used for day trading, swing trading. I'm going to give you a swing trading example today, and I'm going to show you how to get in before other people get into Bollinger Band trades. This is actually one of my specialties. I'm very proud of this, and I'm going to share it with you right now. Actually, we're going to do a two-part series because I'm going to give you two different levels of having an edge on Bollinger Bands Squeeze. By the way, this is about Bollinger Bands Squeeze trades. Number one, how to get in before everybody else and before the squeeze is obvious. And then number two, how to make even more money. And we'll do that in part two. So how to, even if other people took the same trade, I'll show you how I make 10 times as much money on the same trade. All right, so how to get in earlier. That's the topic for today. So this is an actual trade that I took. And let's see, I believe I took it on April 21st. But so here we got the squeeze, all right? So you get your Bollinger Bands. And I'm using a daily chart here on the right. We'll bring in our longer term chart a little later here. And I'll show you why we use that as well. But this could apply for day trading also, any time frame really. So now, why did I get in here? The squeeze has not yet happened. We have a squeeze situation, but it's not been confirmed. So the confirmation would be the Bollinger Bands now moving away from each other. The lower band moving down, the upper band moving up. In fact, let me just kind of draw that in there. We want to wait for the Bollinger Bands to separate, pull away from each other. That's the traditional way to trade Bollinger Bands, but that's what everybody's looking for, and everybody's losing money. So if you do what everybody gets, or you do what everybody does, you can get what everybody gets, which is what? Losses. And we don't want to get losses. We want to get winners. So let me show you exactly how I get in before everybody else so that I make money. And, well, you potentially can as well, though I can't make any financial promises, obviously. All right, so now I got in before the Bollinger Band squeeze was confirmed. Oh, this is also a basic principle in trading. So I'm going to show you how I do it with Bollinger Band squeezes. But again, this is a universal principle. You want to enter before everybody else. And what that means is, again, you got to enter before the signal, the traditional signal, is confirmed. But because traditional technical analysis is known by everybody. It's on Google, it's on YouTube, it's all over the place. It's in books. So when everybody knows something, that's exactly when it stops working. So that means we got to get in before the rest of the people. So a couple of things is, number one, this is the day I got in right here. So April 21st. Now, question here is, well, the squeeze hasn't happened yet as far as the confirmation goes. So how do we know which way it's going to go? That's really the big question, right? Is it going to go up or is it going to go down? Long or short? Which side of the trade do we want to take? And obviously, it's self-evident that we want to go what? What would you say? Go ahead right now, just in your own mind, or if you want to type it into the comments below, feel free to do that as well. By the way, appreciate your comments. As a little test, just for fun and giggles, do you think the market's going to break up to the upside or to the downside here? And the correct answer is, well, let's let Mr. Market talk for himself. I don't know, is the market a him or her? I'm not quite sure. I don't think it's either, but obviously it broke down. Now, so this is where, okay, right there, boom. Now we've got the squeeze confirmed. A little lower band is angling down, the upper band is angling up, and I actually took partial profits right there. That, my friends, is professional trading. Today, modern trading. When everybody else is getting in, I want to get out. You've heard the old slogan, buy the rumor, sell the news. Well, that applies to technical analysis as well. However, it's a little different. So the rumor that we want to buy, or in this case, short, is the rumor of a Bollinger Band squeeze occurring. The news of the technical analysis of a Bollinger Band squeeze is when it is confirmed. Now everybody on the gerbil sees it. So we have the technical analysis news, meaning it's confirmed. Everybody sees it. Everybody jumps in. Vast majority of people lose money. So why would we do it now? No, we got to get in on the rumor of the technical analysis before the confirmation. That means we need an extra piece of evidence, right? And that's the whole thing behind top dog trading, by the way, is we're looking at a preponderance of the evidence, statistical, mathematical probabilities. So we got to add something to this, and that's the dealio. We cannot just use the Bollinger Bands in isolation. So what do we add? I'll show you right now, and I'll show you how to get it, by the way, absolutely free. So now we're going to, you might have noticed down here, if you were really observant, that I've got my top dog cycles down here. So let's turn them on. They've been off. And you might have been saying, hey, Barry, what the heck is that? Okay, so here we go, 21st. And now you'll notice cycles are the oscillations of the market. So we have cycle up, cycle down, cycle up, cycle down, cycle up, cycle down, cycle up, cycle down. So the reason that I decided to go short here was because even before the squeeze was confirmed on the Bollinger Band indicator, look, on the cycle indicator, both are down. And that's what gave me a tip-off that the direction will be down. Without that, there's no evidence. We don't know. Now that it happened, boom, boom, and this is what I like to do. As soon as everybody else gets in, that's the news, boom, I'm out. Now, I didn't get out of all my position there. Okay, I got out of half of my position. And by the way, it did continue to go down a little further, a little further, a little further, and there we are today. And then it popped back up. So that is the secret. Now, you might be saying, yeah, but Barry, I don't have that indicator. Well, you will soon. So I'm giving this away right now to everybody. And for full disclosure, by the way, this indicator is a common indicator that I've just modified. So it's nothing proprietary. But I want to give it to you, and not only give it to you, but also show you how to trade it, because that's the key. Anybody can give you an indicator, but the key is, okay, how do I determine how to trade this puppy? And so I give you a full education on that. It's about a, 40-minute tutorial, video tutorial. I show you how to set up the indicator in your charts. As you see here, I've got TradingView. You don't have to have TradingView. This indicator is pretty much available on any trading platform, actually every trading platform I've ever seen. So I'll show you how to set it up on any trading platform, and then again, how to trade it. So feel free to go to indicatorwebinar.com. It's a free webinar. And yeah, just go get it. I'll walk you through the whole thing. Now, there will be a part 2 to this video series, and I'm going to show you how I actually made 10x above what somebody just shorting the stock would have made. And that's going to come up in part 2.